Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights on communication infrastructure, security systems, and fiber optic networks. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical topic that affects every modern organization: protecting intellectual property through secure large bandwidth applications. Every business, from technology firms and media companies to manufacturers and financial institutions, depends on intellectual property, or IP. This includes designs, research data, patents, trade secrets, creative content, and proprietary technology. As businesses move their operations online, this valuable information travels through large bandwidth applications, such as cloud platforms, file sharing systems, and remote work environments, making data protection more important than ever. To safeguard intellectual property, organizations must ensure their data travels across secure, high-bandwidth networks. At Comm Systems, we specialize in designing and installing fiber optic cabling and secure network infrastructures that protect against data theft, interception, and unauthorized distribution. Fiber optic networks, unlike copper, use light to transmit information, making them immune to electromagnetic eavesdropping and nearly impossible to tap without detection. In addition to physical infrastructure, we implement multi-layered security protocols to protect IP at every stage. This includes encrypted data transmission, firewall protection, access control and authentication, secure VPN connectivity, and network segmentation to isolate sensitive systems from general traffic. These measures ensure that even if a network is compromised, critical intellectual property remains safe. As remote work continues to grow, secure large bandwidth applications such as video conferencing, cloud storage, and project collaboration tools must be protected with end-to-end encryption and role-based access control. Comm Systems integrates these technologies into your network infrastructure, ensuring your team can work efficiently and safely, without exposing confidential data to external threats. Whether your organization handles confidential financial data, creative media assets, or engineering blueprints, our goal is to make sure your intellectual property stays yours. By combining high-performance fiber optic connectivity with enterprise-grade cybersecurity, Comm Systems helps businesses stay ahead of cyber threats while maintaining speed, efficiency, and reliability. Thank you for watching this episode on protecting intellectual property with secure large bandwidth applications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational insights from Comm Systems, your trusted partner in communication and security excellence. For more information, visit us online at www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.